In a land not so far away, we meet the cicada.
It's a hole. It's a hole. No, wait. It's a cicada hole. Cicadas live underground for 17 years before emerging. They surface solely to reproduce. In those short 4 to 6 weeks, they really live it up before the next generation goes underground.
The cicada has to molt one final time before becoming a real adult. But when it has to get out of its exoskeleton, it has to shake a little bit.
Shake that thing, miss. Can I shake that thing, miss? Annabella, shake that thing, yeah. Donna, Jody and Rebecca. Woman, get busy. Just shake that booty non-stop when the beat drop. Just keep swinging it.
Now, this cicada is ready to hit the clubs, pumping up its wings a little bit. This creature develops into a red-eyed beast that terrorizes innocent citizens.
Luckily, these horrifying creatures are pretty stupid. Here's one stuck on its back on the pavement. Wait, slow down. No, stop. We totally picked up this cicada to show the parts of its body. Cicadas are in the class Insecta because, well, they're insects. They have 3 main parts: the head, the thorax, and the abdomen. And they also have a lot of other stuff, but I'm sure no one really cares about cicadas, let alone their body parts. So let's move on. I'm sure you'll all be glad to hear that it survived, but many others do not.
Here lie masses of cicadas that died due to their sheer stupidity. Cicadas are dumb and seemingly blind creatures like this one that got its leg stuck in a leaf. Poor thing died. Boo-hoo. Those who don't die from themselves are hunted by natural predators. This is the moment when we are really proud to be hawks.
Hallelujah, hallelujah.
This guy has been underground for 17 long, dry years, and right now he'll go for anything, even the husk of another cicada. Poor guy. Wait, now here's a couple that's getting some real action. Oh my god, they're going to make more cicada babies. Break them apart. Break them apart. Should we even be showing this? Wait, they're still going at it. Oh my god.
And just remember, I'll be back.